Hi friends. Welcome to Hott and Sweett. Looking for a quick, high-protein meal that actually tastes amazing? Let's make this ultra-flavorful Soya Veg Pulao. Here I am taking 500 grams of basmati rice. Soak rice for 30 minutes. Let's look at the ingredients. We need fresh green peas, potatoes, carrots, beans, green chilies, curd, cashew paste, green chili paste, soya chunks, onions, 4 large. In a pan, heat oil and add chopped onions. Once onions are soft, add whole green chilies, ginger garlic paste, green chili paste. Add stick of cinnamon. Now it's time for all the veggies and saute them until they are soft. Add 1 cup curd. Add some garam masala. Salt to taste. Soak your soya chunks in hot water until they are nice and plump. Squeeze out the water and add them to saute. Add cashew paste. Look at those beautiful colors in our pan. Cover the lid until veggies are soft. That aroma in my kitchen is amazing. Add 2 glasses of water. Cover and cook on low heat until the rice is fluffy and has absorbed all those delicious flavors. And there you have it, perfectly fluffy, nutritious soya pulao, ready in under 30 minutes. Don't forget to save this video for your next busy weeknight.